Hello guys, welcome back again. Welcome to another session of Knowledge Guru. In this session we are going to cover the Vlookup made easy. So this we will have a complete look at the Vlookup usage, does and don'ts with the Vlookup. Before we begin, you can reach us out on our email ID bonito.service@gmail.com. You can let us know your queries on PowerPoint, Excel, Access, Perl, ASP, Linux, scripting, web designing, macros, and we hope we'll be able to help you out. Let's begin with Vlookup. So this is one basic Excel sheet that I have, which contains the name of the students with their respective marks in the total on a different subjects. First, I have these three students. I want to get the total marks for these four students alone from the whole big Excel sheet. So normally Vlookup, this function, is used to look up a specific value in another worksheet or another Excel or the same Excel or the same Excel, and it identifies the specific value and it prints the value based on the number of columns. So we'll quickly go through. So I want to find how many marks Fred has total. Yeah. So Fred marks are available in this table, where his name is available in column C, total marks are available in column J. So let's put a Vlookup. So we always put here, select the function called, if you're not able to find, let's put a Vlookup. Yeah. Double click. So it requires four options to be given. The first thing is called a lookup value. Here you need to select which value you want to search. Here I want to search the Fred, so I selected T3. Now the second thing is called a column array. Here we have to give the total table from where we want the column to be searched. Here in case I have given this column C to P. Column index number. Now this is the very crucial parameter, because in the worksheet, the other worksheet where I have all the data, now it will be able to find the column, let's say Fred in this column, but which data I want to print if match is found. So that is always counted. So the first column, please remember, Vlookup selects the column in the selection. So very first column should be the search column. Remember this. And I want to print the total achieved marks. So the column number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from the first column, I want 8th column to be printed in case of a match. A range lookup, we put this as a 0 for the exact match. So this completes my formula. It gives me Fred had received 411 total marks. Right? If I drag this formula, it will copy for other users also, other students also. So please remember, there are two key points to be remembered. First, whichever cell you are searching in the main table, that should be available as the first column in the search. For example, I cannot use this formula where I have given C to P, but if I give it from B, what does it? Why it's not giving me any data? Because this Fred is, the selection is from B to P. Now the search is always done on the first column. So the Excel is searching Fred name in the column B. That's the reason it is not able to find and it is throwing the error. So please remember, when you select a table array, make sure the searched value is available in the very first column. And the third is the column counted from the first column where we have initiated the search. For example, now if I make this 8 is equal to 1, if I change this 1, which means the first column itself, so it will find Fred and it will print also the Fred. If I put this as 2, it will find the print the second column. So I can see it is printed 67, which is nothing but the second column, that is column D. So please remember these two key points. There is one more point that you should always remember with Vlookup. In case of a duplicate values, for example, I am making here as a duplicate value. I make this as 2313. Okay, I will put this as 2. Right. See which value it is printing. Now in the same formula, I have two Freds. That is row number 3 and 4. But Vlookup will start from searching from top and it will stop at the very first value. So always remember, if you have a duplicate values in your table, it will always print the top value. It will not print the other value or any other value available. So make sure whenever you are doing a Vlookup, you should have the unique values available in the search table, or you should align your data so that there are no duplicates. Otherwise your results may not be appropriate or accurate which you are looking for. So that's the small thing about the Vlookup. I hope you like this video, and thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Knowledge Guru Bonito Knowledge, and if there are any queries, please write us to on bonito.service@gmail.com.